Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can completely transform your look: eyebrows. Specifically, how to soften them for a square face shape. Have you ever felt like your makeup was on point, but something still felt a little off? It might just be your brows. Getting your brow shape right for your face is a total game changer, and for my square-faced beauties, a softer brow is your secret weapon. Let's take a quick trip back in time. The concept of shaping your brows to complement your face isn't new at all. Think about the iconic actresses of Hollywood's golden age, like Katharine Hepburn or Olivia Wilde today. Many of them had strong, beautiful, square jawlines. What did their makeup artists do? They didn't try to hide that amazing bone structure. They balanced it. They often used softly arched brows, avoiding anything too sharp or severe. This wasn't a mistake. It was a deliberate technique to create harmony and draw attention to the eyes. A sharp, angular brow on an already angular face can look harsh, but a soft, curved brow adds a beautiful, gentle contrast that enhances your natural features without competing with them. So, why does this work so well? A square face is characterized by a strong jawline and a forehead, cheekbones, and jaw that are all about the same width. It's a stunningly symmetrical and strong face shape. The goal isn't to change it, but to balance it. By creating a soft, rounded arch in your brows, you introduce a gentle curve that beautifully offsets the straight lines of your jaw. This contrast creates an illusion of softness and draws the eye upward, making your entire face appear more balanced and harmonious. It's all about working asterisk with asterisk your features, not against them. Now, let's talk about how to achieve this look. First, put down those super sharp stencils. We're going for a natural, your brows but better vibe. Start by finding your natural arch. A good rule of thumb is to look straight ahead in the mirror and imagine a line going from the outside of your nose, through your pupil and up to your brow. That's generally where your arch should be. Instead of creating a high, sharp peak, aim for a gentle, rounded curve. Think of a soft rainbow rather than a steep mountain. When you're filling in your brows, use a light hand. A brow pencil with a fine tip is great for creating hair-like strokes. Start by filling in any sparse areas, focusing on the body of the brow. As you move toward the tail, keep it soft and slightly tapered. Don't make the tail too long or too sharp, as this can drag the face down. The key is to build the color gradually. Another fantastic tool is a brow powder or a tinted brow gel. Powder gives a really soft, diffused finish, which is perfect for this look. A tinted gel will not only add a hint of color, but also hold the hairs in place, giving you that effortlessly groomed appearance. Remember to brush through your brows with a spoolie after applying product. This is a crucial step. It blends everything together, removes any harsh lines, and makes the final look incredibly natural. The goal is to create brows that look full and healthy, but not overly drawn on. They should frame your face and complement your strong jawline, not compete with it. By embracing a softer, more rounded brow shape, you'll see how it brings a beautiful balance to your features and truly lets your eyes shine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips help you master the perfect soft brow for your gorgeous square face. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what you'd like to see next. See you soon.